Model, 2005 Mercedes Sprinter 411 CDI, 35 semi-automatic Bluebird minibus 13-seater. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 170218. Engine, 2148 CCOM611A. Transmission, rear-wheel drive, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest bus which has been well looked after and would even make a great camper. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, recently had 4X brand new injectors and seals. EU status, Euro 3. HPI.